It is Tuesday, December 28th, 2021, and my US dollar position is getting close to the exit. I want to get out at, let's see, 35,306 for 1,000 ticks. It's at 35,412 now. It did just go down to 375, so it came 69 ticks away from the exit so far. So I'm ready to place an order to get out. What this is going to be, since I'm short, I need to buy back the shares. So I'm going to place a buy stop, 500,000 my position at 1.35306 for 1,000 ticks, good till canceled. And I'll be back to place this order. Okay, I just accidentally got out of the USD.SGD. Don't normally trade the Forex, so I must have placed the wrong order. And I placed a buy stop for it and it just went off, so I'm not really sure why it's doing that. It must work different than the futures. So, and I don't really have the right, I don't trade it, so I don't have any experience with it. I traded it way back in 2006, but I haven't traded the Forex since then. So all I did was break the codes on the Forex, so I know which direction it's going to go. But I just wanted to demonstrate and show that I can get the trade right. But anyway, accidentally got out early there on the code 4, and these two trades already have orders in there. Limit order to go off at 45.25 and a limit order to go off at 18.35. So those are all taken care of. I will be back to show the outcome of these trades. Okay, it looks like we're going to get a code 6 here. We're going to take a trade. Stop order, quantity 10, 36,352. Going to turn this into good till cancel, trigger outside. This is going to be a buy stop. Just taking another look at this. YM March 18th, continuous contract. All right. 36,352, confirming that one more time. Yes, that is correct. All right, let's place it. Okay, let's add a limit order. This is going to be a code 6. Hang on, actually I need to calculate this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to be putting it in for 36,488. 36,488. All right, let me confirm that one more time. That is correct. 36,488. 36,488, that is correct. All right, so what I just did now is we got the same scenario we just got the other day. What's going to happen is a code 6 long signal is going to go off, and then before it reaches the 80 tick exit, it'll trigger a code 7 signal. So I'm measuring 80 ticks from the code 7 signal. So that puts me at 488, which is 136 ticks profit. So not bad. Similar to the last one, it was 140 ticks, right? This one is 136. So very similar. You actually will see this in the codes. They have similar exits to them as well. Okay, I've gotten into the trade here. 10 contracts on the YM, going long, 136 ticks. It will make it with about 90% accuracy, 90% success rate on this trade. Even though the stops on the codes are large, it doesn't matter, because if you keep the math very high, like I am doing, and hit 90% trades, it works. Yeah, when you take a loss, you take a good sized loss, that's true. But the whole point is that they don't lose very often at all. The codes right now are batting 100%, not 90%, over at least the last month, at least. Because that's when I started trading again. And so I've been paying attention to them since then, and they have worked 100% of the time. Now I'm talking about the revised codes now. If anybody out there is still using the original code 4, code 6, and code 7, there is a revised code for these codes that have 100% success rate over the last month. You haven't seen me take one loss yet because I've not lost. So it's because every code is working 100%. Now they will take losses, it will happen, but not very often. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I need to place a break-even stop on my gold position. It went up to 1821.60, needed to go to 1835, but it's possible it's just running really shallow this month because of the holidays and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and place a break-even stop on it, and plus there's only a couple days left in the month, so it's running out of time really fast to make it up to 1835. It's probably not going to do it at this point, although it could it could do it over the next few days, but I don't want to take a risk on it, so I'll just go ahead and place a break-even stop. So what I'm going to do is I'm long two contracts on gold, so I need to sell these two contracts. So if it goes down to the price of $17.95, which is just above my price that I'm in at, it's going to sell me out. Got it to good till cancel, trigger outside. Okay, placing it, sell stop, quantity 2, $17.95, good till cancel. Okay, placing it now. Okay, sell stop in place on gold to sell two contracts. Since I'm long two contracts already, once that goes off and sells me out, I'll just be even in the position, won't have any contracts. So it's a way to use stop orders to get you out at market and get you, be able to get in and out of trades anytime you want with these orders. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it got stopped out on gold, break even there. I'll be back. Gold is it's really choppy lately. So, and plus this month for the code 4 probably wasn't the best month to go for that many ticks. But anyway, it's no big deal. It actually will probably make it, but I don't want to risk it. The math is not as good anymore. So, and plus, what'll happen is I'll just get another code 4, and then I could just take that one. So, no big deal. Okay, this code 6 trade is not going the right way right now, and it is very possible it's going to hit the stop. If it does, it'll be the first one I've lost in quite some time. I have a stop on it right now, a sell stop, 36,249. So it's only about 100 tick loss, which isn't very much, but it'll be the first loss I've taken in quite some time on a code 6 trade. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, the trade is moving up here, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel this stop order. Okay, that one's canceled, and I still just have the limit order set to 36,488 for 136 ticks. As the Dow goes up here, Uber should also go up. Let's see, it's not going up right now, but it should go up. If it doesn't, though, when it comes back down, I will place a break-even stop on it so that I break even. And if that happens, what'll happen this month is that the code 4 just didn't go very far because the markets aren't moving very much. And that's why. So they went shallow. So anyway, Dow moving good. Dow moving good, and the code 4 for Dow is very good. The Dow is a great trade. It really is. You got code 6, you got code 7, you've got code 4, you've got code 5. I mean, and the Dow really moves. The E-mini moves too. A lot of people trade the E-mini. It's a great trade. I just trade the Dow, but not because I have any specific preference, just because it's just what I trade, that's all. You get used to trading something and you just trade it. So, but it moves good. That's one reason why I trade it. You know, if gold was moving really super good, I'd trade gold. If oil was moving really super good, I'd trade oil. If, something was moving really super good, I would trade it. But the Dow moves really super good most all the time. So I just trade that mostly. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to place a stop on the Uber trade. This is going to be a sell stop, 500 quantity. Stop at 40.75, go till canceled. Let's go ahead and place it. Okay, sell stop in place. If Uber goes down, I'll just break even on the trade, no big deal. But when you go for the code 4s, you really do want to go for them. And, you know, I did a conservative code 4. It should have hit it, but apparently it's not going to move very much this month, or this code 4. So it may have just gone to the code 4 already as far as it's going to go, and it could be going back the other way. So got to put a break-even stop on it and let it go. Anyway, I'll come back. Just wanted to show really quick that the USD.SGD has made it down to my original exit. I exited accidentally, placing a wrong order. And so I exited the trade at 478, I think it was. Made a lot of ticks, but didn't make it down to 306, which was for 1,000 ticks. It actually goes, normally it goes 1,500 ticks on a code 4. So I was just going for 1,000 just to keep the math really super high, which I would have stayed in for 1,000 ticks, but I accidentally placed the wrong order and got out of the trade accidentally. Anyway, so still in Uber here, got a break-even stop on it, and still in the YM, looking for it to make a move up. Anyway, I'll be back. This thing's making a big move here, making a big move down. Just had to replace the stop right there, 36,249. Just placed it again. It is a possibility it could come down and hit it. What happened is it went code 6 long. It only went 46 ticks so far. It has to go more ticks than that. It has to go more ticks than that, mathematically speaking. So it should not hit the stop then. It should go back up and go at least a bit higher, 20 ticks higher, or close to it. Let's say at least 15 ticks higher. It would have to go, or it would break its record. It would, it would break its record. So it has to make it up there unless it wants to break its record. But I doubt that. So it should go back up again, probably go all the way back up and hit the exit. See, it came just shy of going code 7 long. Almost went code 7 long, but didn't do it. So if it had gone code 7 long, it wouldn't be a problem because we'd be in a code 7 trade at that point with a code 7 stop. Otherwise, we have a code 6 stop on this one, and it's not very big. So it's a possibility it could get hit, but I doubt it. Anyway, I'll come back. This trade, it went up over 80 ticks from the code 6, but it came, let's see, went up to 463, and I needed to go to 488. So that is 25 ticks. It came 25 ticks shy of the exit for 136 ticks. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade. Let's put it in for market for the position, and we'll go ahead and sell it at market. 10 contracts, YM, March 18th. Making sure everything's right. Okay, let's go ahead and sell it out. Okay, so I'm out of that trade. We just call it break even. And I'm still in Uber, but I've got a break-even stop on it, so cancel some of these orders, cancel this sell stop, cancel this sell limit. Gold, I'm already out of, need to cancel that one. And so I've got Uber. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that in case it makes it to the exit or if it makes it to the break-even stop. So I'm just going to leave Uber open right now and see what it does. Anyway, so I'm almost out of everything, and I will come back next year when the trading starts to start trading again. See you then.